Hey, welcome guys. This video I'm doing an unboxing of the Google Nest Mini. So this is kind of like the second version of the Google Home Mini. It looks almost identical to that version actually. This is slightly improved upon the first version, which is the Google Home Mini. Now they just rebranded it as well as the Nest Mini under their Nest division. So I'm not sure what to really expect here because I mean when they announced it, a lot of the facts and specifications were already announced. That is pretty similar to the first version. Some key points that they mentioned, is that this one actually is wall mountable now. There's a hole at the back, so you can actually wall mount it. Base has apparently been doubled, which I'll be very interested to see if that's really the case, considering how small it is. As you can see, this is small, just like the first version, just kind of like a hockey puck size. So there it is. Not a fan of the design, but I'll get into that in the review video. And there underneath, as you can see, there's a hole for wall mounting it. Still that annoying switch to mute it, which was really a pain in the butt in the first version because trying to mute the microphone, I would accidentally adjust the volume because the volume is touch-based controls. So really annoying that Google brought that back. As for the power, let's see what we have here. Hoping USB-C, but it's not. So we'll get back to that later. I just want to go through the box. Nothing else is there. So let's go over the documentation. Typically, the quick start guides are really small with this type of device because it's just so easy to set up, especially if you have the Android device with the Google Home app. Just a couple little steps and you're pretty much set to go. Really simple stuff. It comes in a couple of languages. And let's see what this is all about. This is Google's privacy information. Because you know what? All these data breaches happen with various companies. Interesting that Apple and Google are now putting a lot of emphasis on privacy. So, interesting. Yeah, and I just saw that there's no USB-C fitting. There's still a barrel fitting. Very disappointing. I'm not sure why Google did that. It's interesting to see that this power adapter head takes up a couple spots on a power bar, but it's flat, so at least you can put it behind furniture, which is great. And that's pretty much it. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, it does help. As well as be sure to check out my social links in the video description, as well as a link to the review video. And thanks for watching.